Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ross Ulbricht token. Ticker symbol is ROSS. Now this token is trending number 21 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Very popular Sol meme coin today. They have a big market cap, big 24-hour trading volume, and in the past 24 hours, this token is up 500%. And we're going to go over the information on the ROSS token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Solana blockchain, so you could find it on SolScan. If you're looking for the chart and the price, you can find it on BirdEye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. They also have a Telegram here, which is at Ross Portal. 538 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, new partnerships, new token listing announcements, memes, of course, all sorts of good stuff. And also their Twitter, the same thing right here. They have 85 tweets, blue verified checkmark at Ross on Sol. It says Justice for Ross, has a link to their Telegram and a link to their webpage right there, rossonsol.com. They just joined Twitter May 2024. 911 followers so far. Also in their pinned tweet, they have a full link tree of the contract address, Twitter, Telegram, webpage, and it says, don't trust, always verify. So basically, if you wanted to get this token here, this is a Solana meme coin, so you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would suffice. And you could download one of them from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Radium, and then you would trade your Sol for the ROSS token using the contract address you could find on their webpage, rossonsol.com, or you could find it right there in that pinned tweet right there real easily. You probably will not have to set slippage because I don't see anything about taxes. And there is going to be a little bit of gas fees, though, when buying tokens off of Radium. So just be aware of that. This token may also be available on other Solana dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, maybe Orca, all that type of stuff. So it says here on their webpage, rossonsol.com, Ross Ulbricht, the creator of the Silk Road, has been in prison since 2013 for non-violent offenses. As the first-time offender, Silk Road was an anonymous e-commerce site where users could trade various goods, including small amounts of items that were prohibited. While Ulbricht wasn't convicted of selling these illegal items, he was held responsible for what others sold on the platform. Now that's kind of, it's kind of a gray area there where you're like, I don't know. I don't know anything about, I know there's a documentary. I think it's created by, if you look at what is that movie? Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventures, not Keanu Reeves, but the other guy created a documentary, I believe, about this that is pretty old, but I haven't watched it. I know, in a nutshell what this story is all about, but I mean, it's very hard to say. Do you blame the creator or do you blame the people on the webpage? I don't know. I mean, that's a hard thing to... anyways, it says he served 11 years of his sentence, and if elected, DJT has vowed to commute Ulbricht's sentence to time served and bring him home. Okay, well, there you go. That's, I should look more into this story, but what do you guys think? Do you guys think that he should be released or not? Leave a comment down below. Let the people decide, right? Now, this token here has a market cap of $2.8 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. $307,000 worth of liquidity in radium, and 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So, token price today, 0.0028 USD. This token has a 24-hour trading volume of $7 million and 14,544 transactions today. Very popular token, up almost 500% right now. Token pair was created 5 months, 11 days ago. So this is not a brand new token whatsoever. It's almost half a year old. But since Trump got elected last night or this morning, whatever time zone you're in, now, I mean, obviously people are talking more about, is he going to release him? Is he going to do what he said he was going to do now that he's elected? And so this token is pumping today. So there also was a community takeover for this token. It says CTO, a community claimed ownership for this token October 15th, 2024. CTO community is the dev. So just recently, the dev is out of the picture, and now this is a community-run token. So we'll see what happens now that the community is running the token also. Even though it's a older token, it's a newly run community token. So on Dext Tools, they have a quick audit that you could check out for this token. It says, first of all, they have a total supply and circulating supply of 999.44 million tokens. They have a Dext score of 82 out of 99, and their quick intel security audit says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, that's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit, doesn't go over everything. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where we go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.